Hi, this is Catherine Weber, and I write the DIY column Living Space. And today we're talking about the best Feng Shui colors for a south-facing entrance. If your home faces south and you want to give it good Feng Shui, then you want to employ the color red. Red is associated with fire and the south. It's also associated with your name, your social standing, how many friends you have, even fame. So if you like to boost any or all of those things, red is your go-to color. And since you have a south-facing entrance, red would be perfectly harmonious there. Now, what if you don't really like red? Maybe you don't care for that color very much. You've got a range of choices when it comes to Feng Shui colors that are best for a south-facing entrance. And that can range from the lightest, palest shell pink all the way through red, bright red to deepest burgundy, even purple. Even some colors of orange would be perfectly fine. Now, maybe all of those colors still don't appeal to you. Let's talk about another color range that you have to choose from. Fire is made by putting wood and lighting it on fire. So when you put wood onto a fire, it helps the fire grow. So you have an option in